hi, Sue. Say hi. This is Daisy. She's a new addition to our family. She is a teacup cavapoo, because I know people will ask. We've had her for almost a year. Her birthday is next month. She'll be a year old. She is the perfect little family dog for us too. She's so chill, so happy, the best little lap dog, and she loves to play fetch. So she checked all the boxes. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be going over my second graders curriculum for this year. Some of this may be review from a previous video, and if so, I apologize, but I also like for you guys to see what is happening, what goes where, and it's a good record for me to keep as well. So here we go. Second grader, he will be doing math. This isn't a math book. Second grader, he will be doing handwriting 2 from The Good and the Beautiful. This is just, it is broken up into sections. It's pretty similar to what he has just finished, except for the printing is a little bit smaller. There's less pictures and coloring, things like that. So, handwriting 2 for him, as well as Language Arts Level 1. So let me show you guys a flip through of this book. I feel like I should maybe do a voiceover of this and do a close-up flip through. I'll try it, we'll see what happens. But this is his Language 2 course book, Language 1. So my second grader will be doing the Language 1, Level 1 course book from The Good and the Beautiful. The dog's scratching at the door. She just doesn't like to have doors closed. Makes her very mad. Anyways, so this is his. The thing that I love about The Good and the Beautiful's Language Arts is that it is geography and literature in one. So we check off both of those boxes for him. With this, it also comes with the Level 1 reader. And so we actually used this last year with my daughter, and so I didn't have to repurchase this, so that's fabulous. Something new that came that I am so excited about is The Good and the Beautiful's new math. So this is called Simply Good and Beautiful, which I am going to have a video up showing the difference between this and their old math curriculum. But this is their new math curriculum. It's in a lay flat book, so this book will just lay flat on your counter for you. And you guys, this is so simplified, so easy. Looking through it, I am so excited to get started. You want an easy math curriculum to teach your kids that will help them learn and grow and be fun at the same time. This is it. And it's super quick, super simple. You guys, I am so excited for this. This is gonna be awesome. But even more exciting than the actual course book, even more exciting than that, is this little gem. Do you guys see how big this is? This is so tiny. It's bigger, a little bit bigger than my hand. So this is their course manipulative box. Here's the other great thing. This isn't an ad, it's not sponsored. But if they want to sponsor me, I'd be okay with it. Anyways, here's the other great thing. You get both of these things for $50. I know. Let me say it again. You get both of these items for $50. But wait, there's more. They are offering 1 through 5 math. These are math. This is math that they just launched. As of today, the day I'm filming this video, August 2nd. They just launched all of this. You can get the download of this book for free. 100% free. This book, they're Math K to Math 5. You can get the course absolutely free. You can download it for free. I know, you're as amazed as I am. And Like, that's unheard of. It is just unheard of. It's unheard of to get the course book and the manipulative box for $50, but then to get the complete course book for free, that's all I'm gonna say. So because you can do that, you can actually order their manipulative box separate. I don't know how much it is. I didn't look it up. I can't look it up. I'll try and have it in the description box below, how much just the manipulative box is, but here's what I love about it. Here's their clock. They set the time. They do clock faces a lot. So here's their clock right on top of their box. They don't have to open it or pull anything out. But then, okay, you guys watching this? So amazing, right? Okay, so then they have these little things, okay? But guess what? I can see everything in this box easily. I could take them out of the plastic wrap if I wanted to. This is the fake coins, the fake money. These are like legit, really nice metal game pieces. Like, these are nicer than Monopoly game pieces. Okay, and you have like a rocket, a helicopter, an airplane, 2 airplanes. You have like a commercial airplane and then like a, you know, I call it an old airplane, like a classic, cute airplane. Like the one that's on the book, you have one of those. Then these are wooden tile pieces for games, and honestly, when I was looking through the book, I know they do like a lot of Sudoku. I think that's what these are for as well. There's stars on one side and numbers on one side. And then you have your fraction dice. You guys, they have a better video of all of this deep dived into it. What I'm showing you is that this is the manipulative box. In my side-by-side video, which I'll link in the cards up here, that manipulative box was something else. Anyways, amazing, right? So that is my second grader's curriculum that he will be using this year. I've already done a video on the family style curriculums that we will be doing, which is history and science. We do those together and they really love it, and it's super easy. Again, the thing that I love about The Good and the Beautiful is that they're learning the best of the best, and it's really easy to teach and easy for your kids to understand. It also is wonderful because if you feel like you want to add more, you can, but if you don't want to, you don't have to. For somebody like myself that was a first-time homeschooler last year, this was perfect. I did not feel like I was drowning. I did not feel like I didn't know what I was doing. I honestly felt like I could do this and we were taking on the world. So don't get discouraged. This curriculum's super easy, super parent friendly, and it's something that I highly recommend. We still love it. We're still using it, and we couldn't be happier. So that is my second graders curriculum for this year. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. I will also try and link in the description box The Good and the Beautiful's math unboxing that they did, math reveal, of like an up-close personal version of this math box with its book. They give you more details. They know it better than me. Let me know what your second grader's doing this year for his course curriculums. I'd love to know. I always love to get new ideas. And that is it. We will see you guys next time. Bye.